Good evening, sir. How may I assist you tonight?
Let me start off with a Coke.
Yes, a fine choice indeed. Could I interest you in our soup of the day by chance?
Yeah, let me hear that.
Yes, the soup of the day is cow noodle soup.
What's with the bukkake going on over here?
I can't help it, I'm sorry. I'm a rooster.
Oh. So let me get that soup. Alright, you know what, I'm ready to get the meal. Let me get the stuffed chicken breast. Ow, that wasn't unpleasant at all. Actually, that was pretty nice. You think you could do it again? Other side here? Maybe even me out a little, huh? Huh? Hey? Chicken? Rooster? Whatever the fuck you are.